it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys a list of the worst hair companies that I've tried. But before we get into the video, you guys already know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also, comment down below. I love engaging with you guys in the comment section, but I think this video is going to be short and sweet, and if you guys have watched any of my videos, then you would know who the companies are that I'm going to be talking about. So it's really 3 hair companies that are going to be the worst hair companies to me. So I'm going to start with one of the first ones that I've tried, and it's in no particular order, but Eva Wigs. I'm going to leave a link for their video down below. I mean, I laughed, and I don't want to say it's rude, but it's laughable. Their hair melted, and they wanted to give me a hard time to send the hair back. Literally tried to offer me $30 for a wig that I paid $200 for that melted on the first day that I got it. Like, they tried it. Like, all the way they tried it. And then afterwards, they lied about it. They were like, after I put in a dispute with PayPal, they were like, oh, well, once you send the wig back, then we'll give you your money. I already had my money. I got my money back from PayPal. I paid to ship the wig back to you guys because I didn't want a melting bag of garbage. And I wasn't trying to get over. I just didn't want what I didn't expect that I paid for. So, you guys can have that back. Keep your melting wig and I'll keep my money. So the next hair company on this list, you guys definitely shouldn't be surprised about, of course, is going to be Yummy Hair Extensions. As you guys know, I had a very tumultuous time, to say the least, with their hair. So I got the hair installed. Cost me $300. I tried for weeks at a time. I used everything that they said that you should use, and the hair just would not stop tangling. It was dry. If you guys saw my initial video right after I got my hair installed, I'm gonna leave that video down below if you haven't checked it out. Even the hairdresser was like, did you co-wash this? And I was like, yeah. And he was like, wow, yeah. So it wasn't just me. It was a professional who does hair all the time. Well, more of a professional, I should say, who does hair all the time, who sees hair, different companies all the time, and he thought that the hair was just dry and just as tangled as I did. So for that reason, they're going to be number 2 on this list. Now I would say that their customer service was a little bit more friendly than the third company that I'm going to mention, but I've tried other raw hair since then, and yeah, I didn't get that same experience. So they're definitely not going to be a hair company that I purchase from ever again. In addition to that, I wanted to mention this because you guys know I was supposed to be updating you with my cousin Skylar, because she also got hair from them, but she operates a little bit differently. She was like, everyone always compliments me on my Yummy Hair Extension, tells me it looks so natural, blah, 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 but she has the same complaints that I do, which is that the hair is dry, like extremely dry. No matter what you do in terms of like how they tell you to treat the hair, to care for the hair, it still ends up significantly dry. So she's okay with her purchase, but she also says the same thing that I said, which she's never gonna buy hair from them ever again. So yeah, that's that. So on to hair company number 3. You guys also shouldn't be surprised by this because I mentioned in a couple of videos that on day 1 of me wearing this hair, it tangled really badly. Their customer service was extremely nasty, but they are none other than Kendras Boutique. So I got a wig from them. I paid $6.96 with shipping for that wig, and I called them, addressed concerns. They assured me it wasn't going to happen, and like I told you guys in that video where I came back from the day I went out, and I was like, you guys need to see this. You need to hear this from my mouth. The day that it happened, that the hair tangled on day 1. It was disappointing. You see all these influencers, they talk about the hair being good quality, lasting long, they're pushing it, and I get in and I'm like, well, did you not give me what you gave them? Because this is a shocker. Now again, we're gonna go into where I talk about, there's expectations based on the price that you paid. $640, I think is what the wig was without shipping, is cheap for a 30-inch blonde wig. I will admit that wholeheartedly. Do I expect that the wig is not going to tangle? No, because it's blonde hair. Blonde hair is going to tangle. It's higher maintenance. However, like I said before, when you have hair that one tangles on day one, like it's never going to last me if it tangles on day one. And when I have Freedom Couture blonde hair that's lifted higher than that hair is lifted, and this hair doesn't tangle, what's going on here, people? So that's a list of the worst hair companies that I've tried thus far, but that pretty much wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.